Julie.
Hello.
This is our beautiful project for ESC 190.
So our project is a Bluetooth activated thermostat which uses a button, a temperature sensor, and two Bluetooth connectors. So this is the master code, which basically just controls the button with a delay of 1 second, and this is the slave code that prints the values, the temperature values, to our LCD screen. So here we have a delay of 1 second. So if we press this for 1 second, value of the temperature updates.
So our circuit's pretty basic. We have, basing off 2 labs we've done previously, so we've done a Bluetooth lab, which is Bluetooth setup. We've learned how to use buttons and work those, and a thermostat. So the thermostat's plugged into the A0 pin. The button's plugged into the pin 9, which is obviously the code. And then the only thing we had to really learn that was new in terms of setup was the LCD screen, which we have here. Plugged into, it's also connected to voltage. You obviously need voltage and ground. Figure out, okay, we have coding for button, we have code for the Bluetooth. How do we, one, come up with code for the LCD screen, and then combine it with the components of both Bluetooth with the button and with thermostat measuring the temperatures. So that's a big part of the thing that we had to learn for this project. In terms of improving the project, this wasn't supposed to be our project initially. Initially, we had a much broader idea of, one, having the thermostat and the LCD recording the room temperature, but also extracting the temperature from Wi-Fi, using Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth, from Yahoo and the Yahoo API, which is why this project got initially approved. The issue was that we didn't realize Yahoo API had been discontinued. So all the other techniques we used, which included going to open weather data, using HTML coding, using Ethernet and Wi-Fi shields, all of it was unbelievably complicated. With a lot of TA help, we still weren't able to successfully do those things. We even switched at one point to, instead of doing all that, just being able to tweet the room temperature, and we set up the whole Twitter account and everything, but for some reason, and all the code was right, but for some reason still wouldn't work. So we ended up just to complete the project, we ended up doing the Bluetooth, and yeah, so the improvement would obviously be if we could successfully do the projects we had initially intended on doing, but we're pretty happy with this.